Hey, I'm Eric, and I'm a Bagi Bike B20 Fat Tire. We're at the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance, and they have the Ritz Carlton Golf Club shut down today. So I can take this fat tire bike and have my run of this golf course. And then we're going to go look at fancy cars at the Concours d'Elegance. Come along for the ride. This floats around. Bagi bike. Yeah. It's about 25 if you just use the throttle the whole time. And I'll do like 40 of these pedal assist.
Where is the battery pack?
Right here.
You hit it with your leg. And what does that normally cost out of the box new?
These are about 1900. Yeah. It's basically like a motorcycle, but they've got pedals on it, so you don't need a license.
Pedals like the old days? You start with pedals to help out?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Usually I'm going like in between throttle and pedals.
Okay.
Yeah. Or like sensors when you're pedaling and like kick in as you
so
start
downhill
pedaling.
or on the flat, you'd probably use the pedals to save the battery a bit, and then uphill you'd kick in the
Yeah,
throttle.
basically.
Okay.
I usually ride throttle until the battery gets low, and then it's time to start using pedals. If you want to learn more about those, go to bagibike.com. That one's called a Bagi Bike B10. My name is Eric. Until the next adventure, I'll see you guys later.